Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a quick tip video for partial fractions. I've seen way too many students spend way too much time doing their partial fractions. So I'll be showing you in this video a method that is much shorter instead of doing the long way. So hopefully you take something new out of this video and enjoy. See you then. Right, so let's get into this. So the question is 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 3. Obviously, there are two factors in your denominators, meaning you have to use partial fraction. We have to check as well that the power on your numerator is lower than the power on your denominator. In this case, power numerator is 1 because that's x to the power 1. Your highest power on your denominator will be x times x, that's 2. So yes, we can just go straight into partial fraction. Don't have to long divide, any of that. So most students would, however, so they use the traditional way, and that is a divided by x minus 1 plus b x plus 3, and then you multiply a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 1, and then you equate that to 2x minus 1. Solve for a, solve for b using the equating coefficients. However, I'm here to show you a faster way, because this way you might spend like around 3-4 lines and I don't know, 1 to 2 minutes solving for it. I'll show you a quick way of doing this partial fraction. So we still have the a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 3, but instead of doing all this equations, we sub in x. So instead of doing all this equation, we sub in, so to find a, we sub in x equals 1. So you sub in the number so that the denominator becomes 0 if you sub in that number for a. So in this case, 1 minus 1 is 0. We sub in x equals 1 on our original function. So in this case, 1 minus 1 is 0. Ignore that. So don't worry about that 0. You sub in 1 to the rest. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1, minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3. So your a value in this case becomes 2, minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's what a equals to. And to find your b value, you sub in, once again, the number that will make the denominator equals to 0. So we sub in x equals negative 3 in this case. And you sub in inside the original function, minus 3 plus 3 equals 0, ignore that one. We sub in negative 3 on your numerator. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Minus 1, and you divide it by minus 3 minus 1. b equals negative 6 minus 1 over minus 4, and that should give us 7 on 4. So that's what your b value is. So your partial fraction would be 1 divided by 4, because that's what a is, times by x minus 1, plus b, 7 divided by 4 over x plus 3. And that's how you do partial fraction the quick way, instead of doing all this coefficient equating and all your equations. So that's pretty much what I want to share with you today, a quick tip. And yeah, it saves a lot of time, so maybe if you want to take this into your calculations for partial fraction, that would be great. But aside from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.